No first encounter sparkly Jeep this time. Oh well. But yeah, it was literally my first encounter because when I was making my character, I would hear this like sparkly glowy sound in the background. I'm like, what is this sparkly glowy sound? You can hear the, because you can hear the game on character creation. And then when I got in game, boom, big giant sparkly Jeep. And then I was like, I gotta catch it. Too bad I didn't catch it on stream though, but I couldn't lose it. But no shiny this time, I guess. Jeep, come back to me! Hello! What's that noise? Wait, is that the shiny noise? Wait. I heard that noise before. That's the noise I heard when I first started. Where is it? Where is it? Jeep! You came back to me! Jeep! Jeep! You came back! Jeep! Jeep! I can't believe it! I don't want to kill you. I don't want to kill you. Hold on. Jeep! Jeep, what are you doing? Don't fall off the cliff, please. Jeep! Jeep, Jeep, Jeep! Jeep! Uh-oh. Oh my gosh, okay, I can't believe it. Jeep is female this time. Jeep! Yay! What are the chances that it's happened to me twice in a row? That's so funny. Wow, lucky.